Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland. Welcome to 66 Asquith Ave, Mount Albert. This is the quintessential family home, character styling oozing out of every pore, 3 large double bedrooms and a fantastic sized back garden. The bedrooms are all double and the master with an ensuite. A further family bathroom and multiple large living areas. There's certainly going to be enough room for everyone. The kitchen has been renovated and provides ample storage for all your cooking needs. The large living and dining flow to a sun-drenched northwest facing deck and rear garden. The outdoor space is just amazing. The perfect size really. Not so big you have to spend your entire weekend doing the gardening, but heaps of room for the kids and the pets. The rear deck is fantastic also, the perfect spot for relaxing with a nice drink after a long day at work or barbecue with your friends. With the bonus of a granny flat and a studio, you have more than enough room for any guests or family that need it. With automated gates and secure parking at the front, you are well separated from the world and able to just relax and enjoy this lovely home. Great location, fantastic family home and wonderful outdoor spaces. This is going to be popular. We recommend you come and have a look as soon as you can, and we look forward to seeing you at the open homes on the weekend.